styling, nothing but here we're going to talk about two things. One is font. We're going to talk about two things. One is about font, second about text. Okay, as I shown in this website, this is the text. This is the text, and these are fonts, right? So text means what style I want. Style in the sense, in the text we having like Roman, Times Roman. We have types of type of texting we have, right? Times Roman, then Calibri we have, then we have Jobre, right? Arabic, many Italic, right? Many texting styles are there, many font styles are there, correct? So in our web page, right, what type of style, what type of styling fonts we want to use. Okay, then how to use the size, how to vary the size, how to vary the size, nothing but the font size in the web program. Okay, this is, see, you can easily say that this is having what you can say that the size of this text is quite larger than this size, right? This text, and the style of this text is different than this text, correct? So how to achieve this one, how to achieve this type of stylings, this type of fonts, right? For that we're going to see the two stylists we can have, which is font and the text, right? So one basic thing is font family or font size, such as what? Font style. First we say it as font family, which are called font family. Okay, now font family means, I can see here I have used in this word, we have some of the font families like Calibri. I'm using the Calibri. Okay, what I'm typing, it will display this type of this style, right? So if I click on this one, we have many other fonts, right? We have many other font style. I want to display my text or my content in the web page with the help of this font, this style, Times New Roman. How to achieve this, right? So here one disadvantage is that see, if consider I am a developer. Okay, if you consider I am a developer, I am writing the code now, correct? So in my system, I have downloaded this Times Roman, and I have my means nothing but my browser will support this Times New Roman alphabet, this type of style my browser is supporting. So if I use this Times New Roman style in my code, right, if my browser is able to support for this type of language, for this type of style, then in the web page I can able to see my content in Times New Roman. But as a user, okay, I'm giving a code here, I'm writing the code, but as a user at your side, if your browser is not able to read this Times New Roman, okay, if your browser is not able to read this Times New Roman, then that particular font, that particular content will be not displayed in that style. So that is the reason what the developer will do is he will try to give not only one type of font family, he will give different types of font family. Means, for example, see, I want to give, display, okay, that content, the paragraph I want to display in italic. Okay, I want to display in italic or some other font style. Okay, what I will do, so I will use the selector P on that paragraph, and I want to apply this font style. Okay, so open this, and you will start giving the property here. Okay, property is what? Font family, colon, followed with, you start giving this font family names. Okay, first he will give what? Vardhan he will give. Okay, then next comma, next Vardhana, NA. Okay, something Vardhana. Okay, next he will give Calibri. Okay, Calibri he will give. Then next he will give one more language. Okay, one more font style. Okay, if that font is having more than one word, like Times New Roman, see, Vardhana is having only one word. What is Arhoni is having only one word, right? But when it comes to Calibri, it's having only one word. But Times New Roman, it's having multiple words. Times New Roman, it's having three words. So for that, we have to enclosed in quotes. Okay, which font style is having more than one word? Those font words means that name we have to mention under quotes. Okay, these are Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Okay, close this. Okay, how many font styles we can give? Max to max, 5 font styles we can give. 4 we can give as per our requirement. Means as per our need, we can give the give 4. One more, give like Cambric. Okay, I give Cambric. Okay, these 4 as per developer. Okay, these are the 4. Okay, these are the 4 as per developer need. Last one, default browser font style. Default browser font style. Okay, every browser will support 5 font styles. Okay, which are those? It is serif. Okay, these are the 5 font styles supported by all browsers. Serif, then sans serif, then monospace, then cursive, then fantasy. Okay, these are the 5 default font styles which support by all browsers. Even my browser, your browser, entire, okay, whichever system is having browsers, all browsers will support these 5 font style. So 4 font style we can give as per our need, but last we have to give the default browser style, default browser font style. So followed with semicolon and close. If we have to use this in the way in our code. Okay, this is what font family is. Okay, when the browser or the compiler moves to this Vardhana, okay, means at your end, means where in which computer that web page we're going to display. Okay, at the user end. If that user, that browser is supporting for Vardhana, that particular content will be displayed in Vardhana font style. Otherwise, it will switch to next one. It will check for Calibri. Calibri is there. It is the browser supporting is for this language, for this style Calibri. That particular content will display. Next, if it is not, it move to next. Otherwise, it is also not supporting for Times New Roman. It will check for next, and it will lastly it will check for same. It is default browser. Okay, obviously that particular content will display by this font style. Okay, this is what the font family is. Font family means we can use different font style. Okay, many different font style in a for a one particular selector. Okay, maximum 5. 4 we can do. Last one we have to use the default font style. Okay, we will see this one in code. Okay, I will remove this part. Okay, use the same thing I will use. I want to use this font family font. Okay, I will copy this the same thing. I copy this thing. Font family colon like Cambria, then Calibri, then Times New Roman, Times New Roman. Last I use serif. colon. We check now. Control S, save. Go to the browser. This is program 4. So connect. Go. Okay, it is displaying this one, right? So either this may be Cambria. If my browser supporting for Cambria, it is these fonts are displaying this entire paragraph displaying in Cambria. Okay. What we'll do, we'll just change this one. Okay, I will just remove this. I will remove this Cambria. My first font size was Calibri. Go to save file here, save. Let me just observe, just notice here whether this will change or not. See, it has been changed, right? Earlier, the font style is different. Now the font style is different. This is what the font family. Okay. Then font size. Font size. So I want to give the font size now, right? So for that, we have font size colon, right? Then what we want to give here, font size. Okay, basic thing is in the font size, right? So either we can give the font size in percentage or with the help of EM tag. Okay, with the help of EM tag, that is equivalent tag. Okay, EM tag, right? So my font size, like what I will do, the font size I will make 100%. Either we can keep this one in percentage or else, or we can keep this one in EM. First I will check with what 100%. Okay, go to file, save, go here. Okay, because it is not changing, because the initial means by default it's having a 100%. Now we'll just change to 200%. Save. See, the font size has been changed to 200%. Okay, this is about percentage. Okay, if I don't want to give the percentage, what I will do, I will use EM, 1 EM. Okay, I will do in EM. 1 EM means 1 EM nothing but it's having a 16 pixel. 16 pixel nothing but 100%. Okay, 100%. For 100% equal to 1 EM. You just remember 100% equal to 1 EM. Save. Okay, I'll just, it has changed to 100%. If you want 200%, you just change this number to 2. 2 means 200%. It should move to the same previous 200%. Okay, here 100% equals to 1 EM, nothing but 1 EM, nothing but 16 pixel. 16 pixel, 16 pixel, nothing but 100%. 100% nothing but 1 EM. Okay, if you want 2 EM means 16 into 2, 32 pixels, that is 200%. 200%. Either you can give 100%, 200%, 1 EM, 2 EM, or 16 pixel, 32 pixel. All three will be work in the font size. Okay, this is what the font size and font family is. I hope it's clear, right? So 1 EM equal to 16 pixel, nothing but 100%. Right, 100% is the default browser setting. If you want to give more than 100%, you have to specifically have to mention in the style 2 EM, 3 EM, how much we want, we can give that. Okay, not to 2 EM, we can also give like 1.5, right? 75%, 75% nothing but 1.5, nothing 18 pixel, 75% nothing but 18 pixel. So 75, 2 into 16 into 0.75. Right, that becomes what? 18 pixel. If you give the 18 pixel here, the size will be reduced to 1.5. 1.5 EM. Right, this is what the font family, that is font text and font size. Okay, the last concept is basically concentrate on only two parts. One is font family, one is font size, and the paragraph property. Paragraph property, I have already shown this one. Okay, on these things, the font text style is. This is what the font text style. Okay, so